Guys, so grape juice. This is grape drink. This is the purest form of it. This is made using locally grown grapes, Concord grapes. They are delicious. And this was the last of the harvest, so I made grape juice. So first things first is you want to wash off your grapes. Make sure to soak them. I usually soak mine in apple cider vinegar and baking soda and water solution. And I'm just going to slow juice them through my juicer. As you can see, this is a weird, awkward close-up of the juicing process. The seeds from the grapes will come out. And I'm just pushing the whole entire thing in there. I'm not taking the stem out. We're just putting it all in there. So all the vitamins and nutrients that come along with the grapes will come out. And then the pulp will come out on this side, looking like that. It looks kind of disturbing. You see the seeds, you see all the goods coming out on this side. And this is our luxurious, yummy, yummy-tastic, fresh grape juice. Now, when I tell you guys there is nothing like homemade grape juice, I kid you not, there is nothing like making your own grape juice. This stuff is literally liquid gold. And that's what the grapes look like. And I'm just going to continue to juice them through my juicer. This is a slow juicer. I'll list where I got my juicer down below. I'll also list the farmers where I grabbed these grapes from. This is during their last harvest. This is just a few months ago. And so delicious. Grapes are no longer in season, but when they were, your girl made some grape juice. And I'm just going to continue to shove my grapes down my feeder and juice. I think at some point there we go, overflowed the machine and the juice started spilling out. Of course I did that. I was not paying attention. I had to turn it off. The juice was going everywhere, but it was amazing. It was my first time ever making grape juice. Um, I wind up having to put this in another container because there was so much. So this was 1 quart of juice. I got 2 quarts and 2 pints out of all the grapes I had. And this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. And of course, as you can see in the background, I wind up canning a lot of these. If you'd like to see me canning, I'll leave a link up in the little bubble and also my canning video down below. You can water can this grape juice and it lasts a long time. I've had mine for 2-3 months. All you do is put it in the fridge when you're ready to consume it, or you can leave it in the fridge and then open it when you're ready to drink it. So yeah, this is my canning. This is me putting away all the stuff I can't. I did peppers, I did the juice, I did the cucumbers, and this is the final product, that liquid gold. Literally, this is what they use to make wine, and it's delicious. I definitely recommend you making your own grape juice from Concord grapes. Not those nasty grapes you get in the corner of the store at the supermarket. You need authentic Concord grapes. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out some of my other videos because the farmer's market was lit.